We'll guide you through how to make a folder in Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Outlook, and for whatever reason you want to go and create a folder. Perhaps you want to go and have a folder to go and put certain emails in, for example, emails you want to go and reply to later, or there may be something else you want to do with it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So come over to the left here and you make sure you go and click on mail and you can then come here. So either you can go and create a new folder in your inbox, a subfolder, or another folder in your email. To do this, for either of them, come to the right of your inbox or mail and you'll have three dots which you can click on, press create new subfolder, or if you do it to the right of your email, press create new folder, name it what you want. Then what you can do is you can go and drag in emails you want, like so, click on it, and there they are.